Experiencing issues with your Tesco Delivery app on your iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. Common problems include app crashes, login failures, slow loading times, or the inability to access available delivery slots. The primary causes usually stem from outdated app versions or a corrupted app cache. As of late 2025, these issues are often resolved by clearing the app's cache and ensuring you're running the latest version. First, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Tesco, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. On iPhones, you'll offload the app by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Tesco, and select Offload App. After offloading, reinstall the app from the App Store. Next, make sure you're running the newest version. Head to the Google Play Store and check for updates. Then install any available updates for Tesco. On iPhone, open the App Store, go to the Updates tab, and install any available updates for Tesco. After updating and clearing the cache, restart your device for good measure. These steps should resolve most common issues and get you back to your grocery shopping.